It's me and well, I am this tax video tutorial for Blocks student. I would like to start saying this. Every expert was once a beginner, and it is one of the most exciting parts of this course because we are all beginners in many different ways, especially when we are working with technology. About blocks, let's start. For example, when we are in our course, it is easy to find different blocks all around our course. For example, here, as soon as it opens, we can see different blocks about all the things that we are doing right now, especially for our course, more for teachers, and in which week we are. And here on the top, we can find the general ideas about what the course has. Community is really important for me. Right now, for example, we are 3 online users working at the same time. I think we are all doing the same thing right now because this is our task at this moment. And on the left side again, we can find comments that are really important from all our colleagues. And here we have instructions from our teacher in the middle of everything. On the right side, we can have the budgets, and I haven't seen any budgets yet. I hope I can make it. And the coming events, I'm still working on this, looking for my team and trying to join and start working together. And also in the middle, we have all the information about the information and all the tasks that are pending for me right now. And on the bottom, we can find the activities and the completion progress about what we need to do. And also, we found here the administration and all the things if I don't want to be part anymore about this. But I want to, so I keep learning here.